guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and we're going to do a little bit of reviewing. Um, we're going to reiterate some of the things that we've been talking about in the last few videos. Now, we're talking about organizing yourself. Uh, So I know all of you know the feeling that you have when life is running you instead of you leading your life, instead of the other way around. You're not alone. Whether you are juggling home, work, family, or faith, life gets loud. But there's a little secret. When you get organized, everything else starts falling into place. Now, let's break it down. What does it mean to organize yourself? When should you start, and why does it even matter? Well, organizing yourself isn't just about color-coded planners or alphabetized spices, although I love my alphabetized spices because I can find it just like I can in the grocery store. Although we love those too, it means creating order in 4 or 5 areas of your life: your mind, your schedule, your cleaning schedule, your priorities. Now, when you organize yourself, you're choosing to live on purpose. Things aren't just happening to you. You are in more control of what goes on in your life. When to say yes, when to say no. Now, the best time to start is yesterday. The second best time to start is today. Now, don't wait for a perfect moment. It won't come. Organizing is a process, a lifelong process. It's not a finish line. We start small. Now, we clear one surface, we plan one day, and we choose one priority. Now, you'll be amazed how one small change brings about a lot of peace. Now, because chaos does cost you something, peace, time, energy, it even costs you money when you can't find things and you have to purchase it again. But when you're unorganized, you waste time searching, rescheduling, or stressing. When you're organized, you gain freedom. You can be present with your family, show up for your work with a focus in mind, what's and make space for rest and fun. You can hear God's direction more clearly because you don't have all the chaos and the stress crowding out his voice. Simply put, an organized life supports a meaningful life. Now, declutter your mind, your schedule, your space, your cleaning schedule, your routines, priorities, one simple step at a time. Life does get messy, from mental clutter to a calendar that's bursting at the seams. It's easy to feel like you're constantly behind. But what if you could take control or intentionally organize 4 key areas of your life? All right, we're going to break it down. One is organizing your mind. Organize your mind means calming mental chaos, the mental load. It involves decluttering your thoughts, letting go of negativity, and creating mental space. Just creating mental space to relax, create, or to have creativity and make decisions instead of decision fatigue. Now, when should you do this? You should do it daily, especially in the morning or before bed. Weekly, during quiet reset moments. And why? Because a cluttered mind leads to a lot of anxiety and confusion, and then that leads to burnout. Organizing your mind helps you make wiser decisions, respond with grace, and show up fully in life. It helps you to slow your brain down. Now, here's a tip: journal your thoughts. Use a brain dump notepad or start your day with prayer to realign your mind. Number two, organize your schedule. How? What is an organized schedule? This means designing your day with intention, not just reacting to everything thrown at you. It's about time blocking, batching all of your tasks together, and making time for what is important to you. Now, or what is important to your business or job. I know there's going to be different categories there. And when? Plan weekly on Sundays or Mondays and check in daily. Why? Because a cluttered schedule equals constant stress. When your time is organized, you stop chasing your life and you start leading your life every day. Now, here's a tip: use a paper planner or a digital planner. Maybe even if this works for you, it doesn't work for everyone, but color code your categories. But even if you don't color code your categories, make brain dump in categories. All of the things you need to get done for work in one category, everything for family in another, and for yourself, create categories of things that need to be done, and then divide them out by the days of the week or by the hours in your day. Three, organize your cleaning schedule. What does this look like? This is a system for keeping your home clean without getting overwhelmed. It can be a rotating daily, weekly, or monthly system, or all of the above, really. Now, when do you do this? You set daily touch-ups like dishes or a 15-minute tidy. You set weekly tasks like bathrooms, vacuuming, dusting. And then the monthly ones are for the real deep cleanings or the yearly seasonal ones. Now, a clean space supports a clear mind. You'll feel more peaceful and productive in an environment that's well cared for. Here's a little tip: make a checklist or use an app like Cozy. Cozy's my favorite, but there's one called Toddy, TODY, or just make a printable weekly cleaning chart. Keep it realistic and flexible. Progress, not perfection. Now, number four, organizing your priorities. And maybe that should have been number one. But until you know what you need to do, then you can organize your priorities. Organizing your priorities means knowing what's most important in this season, your values, your responsibilities, your goals, and then align that with your actions accordingly. When do you do this? You revisit your priorities monthly or quarterly. Life shifts, and so should your focus. And you should do this because when everything feels urgent, nothing gets done. Prioritizing helps you say yes with intention and no without guilt. And yes, we all need to learn how to say no to the things that don't align with our life and our priorities. Tip: write your top 3 to 5 priorities down daily and put them somewhere visible. Let them guide your decisions, your time, even your budget. Now, you don't need to have it all together. You just need a system that helps you start right where you are. Organizing yourself is not about perfection, it's about purpose. Now, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these YouTube videos and this podcast is helpful to you. If you're ready to start organizing your life, just start one step at a time. Keep listening to our podcast. Subscribe, like, share with others that you think will enjoy this podcast or YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Fullerton's Pro Organizing on Instagram. All right, guys, I will see you on the next podcast. I will see you later.